holistic message from Diallo, Karim, Binuka, and the other lady that travel around the world like Ajala. All of you guys were fantastically on point, sharing from experience around cultural perspective, artificial intelligence, and also looking at the book itself and the area at which the book will also share more light to help improve students and aspirant young people, and also people who actually want to advance in life. It's an all-inclusive material that focuses more on sustainability. And for me, being from the environment sector, focusing more on climate change mitigation, around community participation, I know that this book actually is a nugget for a change, is a nugget for mindset shift, that's no longer rocket science in achieving your dreams. If you set these goals, ready to grind, and that is follow the process, you must surely achieve success. And looking at sustainability is one thing that every individual, every community must aspire towards in getting themselves sustainable as a family, as a community, and as a nation. So this book also is very holistic, and it's on point, considering people who want to relocate, how they could go about it, who wants to study, take up a new course. And we also have Paris, who is into certification on the SDG goals and the like. I think our next step is to how do we synergize, bringing our different ideology, experience, background to help change the world and make it a better place for everyone to strive. Because it's going to be useless for us acquiring knowledge and it's not being imparted in our community, in our generation. So we need to take our knowledge a step forward in creating the change that we want to see. So I will urge every one of us that this book has brought us together to begin to build what we call community organizing. How can we use what we have to shape our community, to shape our globe? So this time is a global call for action. And this book is actually driving that cause. I want to sincerely appreciate everyone who has made out time to be here. Being the host, I'm really very grateful. And Said, my brother, who is very thorough. For him, it takes time to do his thing. He's very thorough. This book has been like a 10 years plan for him, and he's still focused on it, and today we are launching it. So I'm really grateful that it's coming alive today. Thank you, guys. Thank you for coming. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to you all. I'm happy to be here. Thank you.
All right, hi everyone. Thank you so much for the opportunity to speak. I've listened to a couple of the speakers, and I'm very impressed with what I've heard so far. And I've also taken a couple of nuggets back. Seems like the book would be quite an interesting one. I think one of the things that struck me was what Tobichukwu actually said about localizing sustainability education, right? And making it relatable to people who are very young, and especially through social media platforms. Because if people actually know how these things impact them directly, then they will be able to take it a bit more seriously and we need to act on it. But until it gets to that place where it's local and it's relatable knowledge to them, we're not going to make as much progress as we intend to make. So that was one of my biggest takeaways from this. But thank you so much. I learned a whole lot, from being here and from just listening to the speaker. So thank you for the opportunity.
Final words for this event.
Thank you very much for the invitation. It was a great one. It was nice to network with sustainability education supporters or SDG education supporters. My special thank to Dr. Renuka for mentioning about me and my organization. Thanks again for inviting me to a educational event which is promoting development or learning and development activities of young professionals around the world or young students around the world. It was a great to be a part of this event. Thanks for invitation.
Yeah, thank you very much for inviting me as a speaker. And being a marketing person, I love speaking and talking to people. Even I can talk to you for hours. I think today is the Saturday, this is the weekend, and people love to stay with the family. So actually, it's all about life is all about actually enjoying every moment and learning every moment. So I believe that this moment of my life may change and may bring the biggest and the most transformative events in my life. Maybe some people who are today, whom I met, can be the biggest supporters for me in future. So life is all about meeting new people, learning and transforming as a person. So I thank you very much and my humble gratitude for everyone.
Thank you very much. As I said, it's been a great learning experience. I've been taking notes. I mean, it's so good to connect with people. And I think that is what education is about, connecting, because everybody has what they bring to the entire value chain. And so it's great to connect with everybody. Kivita, I want to know you. I want to meet you. I think I'll start following you, right? And everybody that has been a part of this. I'm particularly interested in what you do, and I'll connect, definitely.
Final remarks. What is final remarks? Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Thank you very much. It was a great event to listen to everyone, the importance of sustainability, and especially in connection to the new book, and how we can form and or harness our own personality. And it is important for young people, even as a child, or young people, or for parents, or for educators, to know how we can support to harness this future force that are going to co-shape our future. So I'm very thankful to be here, and I look forward to be connecting to everyone here and see how we can support each other. Thank you very much.
Okay. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude for organizing such a wonderful event. Your dedication and hard work are commendable, and I am grateful for the opportunity to be a part of this special event. Thank you once again for your efforts in making the event a success. Best regards. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Kavita Serosa. Thank you so much. Dr. Renuka Chakuri, thank you so much. And we meet some other time when we have the next discussion on team to discuss and also make the contribution to the world of the global sustainability. Thank you so much and goodbye for now.
Thank you, everyone. Have a great weekend. Bye.
Thank you, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye for now.
Bye.